a certain number of days. Mr. Speaker, I think it's important for us to make two fundamental points. The first one, Mr. Speaker, the composition of this parliament is a very special one, and it's never happened in the history of our country before. Mr. Speaker, we have for the first time in the Fourth Republic a parliament where a particular group has a super majority. Mr. Speaker, they have two-thirds. Two-thirds. It's never happened in the Fourth Republican dispensation before. Two-thirds. Mr. Speaker, of the 276 members of parliament, the majority side, the NDC side, has 189 members of parliament. Mr. Speaker, you are as old as this parliament, as this legislature. Mr. Speaker, it's never happened before. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, this house mostly deals with government business. And that is why the majority leader is mostly referred to as a leader of government business. Mr. Speaker, and throughout this session of Parliament, the first meeting, the second meeting, and the third meeting, our friends from the other side, 189 of them, consistently, they do not attend to the House. They do not. Ghanaians, Mr. Speaker, Ghanaians, in fact, Mr. Speaker, the NDC side, the majority side, can one form quorum on their own, Mr. Speaker? Can two have enough members of parliament to conduct business? Mr. Speaker, three, they can have enough members of parliament to take most fundamental decisions, and yet they don't come to parliament. Mr. Speaker, I have in my hand here the order paper for 30th October 2025. And Mr. Speaker, in this order paper, you have very important government businesses listed to be taken today, the 30th October 2020. Government business, so many of them. And Mr. Speaker, if you allow me,